right here, and welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys, I have another wig review plus a little something special for all of my viewers. So if you're interested to see what wig I am currently wearing and the special surprise, then make sure you keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this unit was sent to me by the company HeraRemy.com. I was really impressed with the last 2 units that I did for them, so I decided to review another unit, and I am equally as excited about this one, and I really think you guys will love it as well. So the unit I'm wearing is the Sia unit. It is a deep part lace wig, and it's supposed to be 26 inches long. The color I'm wearing is OT Honey Blonde, I believe. Yes, OT Honey Blonde. But if you're interested in picking up this unit on the Hera Remy site, I'm bringing you another affordable unit, and it is currently retailing for $23.99. So this unit, I say it's definitely worth $23.99. Let's jump into some specs on it. Of course, you have your combs on either side of the part. You also have a comb in the back and adjustable straps. As for texture, I would say this is a light yaki texture, and the density is, I'd say the density is really nice. I don't have it all over my shoulders, but with it all over my shoulders, this is what you're working with. So you do get a nice full unit from this wig. I would say this unit is a low lustered unit. It doesn't have too much shine to it, but what I did to make it a little less shiny also is I just used some of my Sexy Hair Luxe Dry Shampoo and sprayed it all throughout the unit just to kind of dull down the shine. I'll often use this dry shampoo to do that to my units just to make them look even more natural. So if you were looking for something to make your units a little less shiny, dry shampoo is definitely the way to go. I would check out the Sexy Hair products. They can be found on the sexyhair.com site, as well as Walmart, Target, and other retailers. Just to kind of give your unit a more realistic look. I haven't gotten any shedding from this unit or tangling, which is a great plus in my book. You can run your fingers through it without any issues. So far so good on both shedding and tangling. It is this really pretty, I won't say it's honey blonde. I don't really agree with the name of the color of this unit, but I feel like it is a really pretty hue of like an ash brown kind of. It definitely kind of has an ombre effect, which I'm really loving, and it is a loose, kind of wavy, loose, curly kind of pattern. Now let's jump into my thoughts on this unit. I'm actually really liking this one. I feel like it gives a more natural look than some of the other units that I've had that are kind of like this similar kind of loose wave kind of look. I feel like it looks really natural, despite the fact that I was more thinking I was going to get a honey blonde unit. I'm actually really liking this ash brown color. I feel like ash brown is something that a lot of people would like. It's a more natural hair color, so you're not doing anything too drastic, but it is a subtle enough difference from just your regular 2s or 4s. I really love the color. I feel like it's really natural and it just is gorgeous. I feel like it gives a really nice natural look and it's really pretty. It's not too long to the point where you feel like you're wearing this outrageous wig on your head, and I feel like it's great for every day. This unit is also very comfortable. I would say it's definitely big head friendly. I am not using the combs or adjustable straps on this unit, but I definitely could if I really wanted to. The lace is not hard lace, so it is more like of a medium to a soft. Alright, so now would I recommend this unit? I would recommend this unit for the simple fact that I feel like it's a great everyday unit. It's not too much hair where you feel like you're wearing this outrageous wig. I feel like it's just enough. This could easily pass for a sew-in. I feel like the wave and the curl pattern to it is really pretty, but it's also not too curly to the point where you're going to get a lot of tangling. I feel like it's going to be the perfect unit to last you a while. So if you were looking into this unit, I would definitely suggest picking it up. Of course, the link is going to be in the description box, so make sure you click the description box, check out the link, check out the Hera Remy site. They have tons of things to choose from, so make sure you click the link below to check them out. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. I am going to be hosting a giveaway on this video, so that is the surprise for you guys. HeraRemy.com was nice enough to send me a unit for you guys to get in a giveaway. So this is the unit in this box right here. It is the exact same unit that I'm wearing, so you will be winning the Sia unit in the color Honey Blonde. So this exact unit is what you will be winning if you win this giveaway. Make sure you open the description box because all the details that you guys will need to enter this giveaway will be down in the description box below. Of course, you have to be a subscriber to my channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, but click that link because there will also be other ways to enter this giveaway and earn more entries as well. So if you guys are interested to try the Hera Remy wigs, this is a perfect time to do it. Make sure you enter that giveaway because you could be receiving this Sia wig for yourself to try out at home free of charge. So thank you guys so much. I just wanted to give back to you guys, and Hera Remy wanted to give back to you guys as well. So thank you for all the support that you've given me throughout this year and into the new year. Thank you for all the views, likes, and comments. I see them all. Thank you for all the subscribers that are new and old. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up to see more wig reviews and tutorials. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this unit. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enter the giveaway. Until my next video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.